Welcome back Ninja Crypto Traders. In today's video, we're going to dive into an exciting trading strategy of Bollinger Bands. This strategy needs 15-minute time frame chart. And of course, now we have to go on indicators and search for the Bollinger Bands. Once we applied the Bollinger Bands, now we have to go on its setting and inputs, then length will be 25. Keep this in your mind that 25 length is very important for this strategy. Technical part is done, and in the next step we have to find a candle whose body is not touching the bands, like this one, which is floating above these Bollinger Bands. Now the low of the candle will consider as entry point and the high of the candle will consider as stop loss. You can take screenshot of these so later on you can use it for yourself. And the target we expect on this strategy will be 1:2 per trade. Now I'm gonna backtest this strategy in front of you guys. So here you can see we got another candle outside the bands. Its body is not touching anything. Here is our stop loss and here is our target, which is hit it perfectly. Let's search for more trades, and here we found another candle. It low will be our entry point, it high will be our stop loss, and here it will be our 1:2 of target. So as you guys can see, it hit our target perfectly. And here you guys can see we found another candle. It low will be our entry point and it high will be our stop loss. We're gonna make a target of 1:2. So here is our target. Let's see it will hit our target or not. It hit our target again. Let's search for more trades. Here we found another candle above the moving Bollinger Bands, and it low will be our entry point and high will be our stop loss. So it takes our stop loss. Anyways, stop loss are part of the game. Now we have 3 win trades and 1 lose. So let's search for more. Here we can, I think it touches, yeah, it this candle was touching our band. So search for more. And this is also touching the band. So we have to ignore this also. Here we found a candle who's not touching the band. So here is it low will be our entry point. Here is our entry point. It high will be our stop loss, and we have to go for 1:2 target. And here we achieve our target, right? So now we have 4 win trades and 1 lose trade. Here we found another candle whose body is not touching the Bollinger Bands, right? It low will be our entry point, it high will be our stop loss, and we're gonna make a target of 1:2. So here we got another trade which achieves a profit. Lots of you guys can say that why this is not a stop loss, because the candle is showing weak at the stop loss zone. That's not a body. We only considered body for a stop loss. Okay. Here we found more trades, but look at this. It gives us the entry after 4 to 3 candles, right? It high will be our stop loss, and we're gonna make a target of 1:2. So let's check out it will hit our target or not. So it hit our target perfectly. Now we have 6 win trades and 1 stop loss. Here we found another trade. It high will be our entry point and it low will be our stop loss. Keep in your mind for long side, right? So 1 ratio 2 will be our target, and it hit it perfectly. We have now 7 win trades and 1 lose. Here is another candle which is floating outside the Bollinger Band. But look at this. Any candle is not breaking its low, so we didn't get an entry here, right? And another candle outside the Bollinger Band. Its low get breaks here, and here is our entry. Stop loss will be on the top of the candle, and it hit it our stop loss. Now we have 7 win trades and 2 stop loss. We found another trade here. It high will be our entry point and it low will be our stop loss. Let's go for 1 ratio to target. And let's see. Uh, it hit our target. Yeah, it hit our target perfectly. Keep in mind, in the stop loss side, these are only wicks, not body. Okay, you can check this out if you want. And here you can see it hit our target. Now we have 8 win trades and 2 stop loss. By the way, if you are ready to take your trading to the next level, I highly recommend giving Bybit a try. You can download their app or visit their website to create an account and start trading today. The best feature about them is they provide premium features of trading you absolutely for free. You can use more than 3 indicators. Let's check my Bollinger Band strategy once again. Change its settings to 20 to 25 and look for a candle outside the Bollinger Band. Right now there is not a single one, but few minutes back there is a one. I can see it. Let me show you. So here is the candle which is outside the Bollinger Band. It low will be our stop loss, and now we have to go for a target of 1 ratio 2, which is hit it perfectly. That's all for today's video on the Bollinger Band strategy. I hope you found this information helpful and insightful. If you have any question or would like to see more trading strategies, please let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more trading tips and updates. Happy trading, and I'll see you in the next video.